Hello and welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson, what I'm instigating for is you need to resist the urge to predict price movements right now. The reason being that potentially you're just a beginner, maybe you're just starting out, or maybe you have been doing trading for quite some time but it has not worked out. So essentially, you do not want to try and predict the markets because you have been struggling with that essentially for quite some time if you already started trading. And what you want to focus on rather is focus on developing and understanding how these markets work first. So actually the urge to predict the market usually leads to actually you feeling that you need to be right all the time, and this actually really hinders your progress. So just stop and just resist predicting the market initially. You want to focus on learning first and learning how the markets actually work and how they move higher and lower first of all, then eventually you'll just get there. So that's what I wanted to outline in this lesson. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.